Welcome back. Just a fast update. I'm just going to change out. I got new lights for the Pontiac Trans Am. So I got to change that one at least. I think the one over here is wrong. Should I be long and short? So I think I need to change out that one if the screws are okay. The two others I also have new ones for, but first just changing the other ones. So it's supposed to be easy. I got a lot of parts in from Rockauto. New lights, a lot of other parts, oil, yeah, thermostat and different things coming in. New wires, new spark plugs, everything is here. Just putting that in the back of the car. So just starting with the light here, and also put on the number plate properly. So I have something to start with. Yeah, it's a new low beam. It's supposed to be high and low, it looks like. So just putting in this one. It should be very simple. Yeah, the seal beam is closed out. It's H4 connector. So now just have to get them in. I'll take off the plastic thing in the back. And I put, so the writing is on the right side. Here I have a problem with a screw that didn't want to come out. So it's back there. I just have to go into the car and pick up the things I was taking out here. Now I have ordinary cross here, and I have 3 screws because the last one couldn't get out properly. I just have to put in because the wiring I'm going to put in after. I have 3 screws to put in here. Let's put the camera way over here. Yeah, now it's the framing. Need to go in, and I need to put on the connectors in the back. Yeah, the thing was in here before, didn't have connector for 3 wires. But this 3 here, so I think it's supposed to be like this. Or should I be crazy enough to just test the lights first? No, all the lights are on. This side is out. Let's see. Okay. Why is this one? I see the one over here. It's much brighter. I think that is a long, not close. And this is the normal driving light. That one is completely wrong, so I have to change it. Okay. Now come on as they should. Except this one come on wrong because this one is wrong. I have to change, put it in the right. Then I have 4 long screws to put in the framing. I have to find the right opening here. That one is supposed to be 15. No, this one should be right. I should have taken with me some oil spray, but I didn't. So that's too bad. There. Now I have the other light here. It's supposed to be here, because this is wrong. Just put on. Here is the one. Yeah, then I just have to screw out the things again. Screws in here, 4 screws.
Her kom det bare ytterstand.
Bare ytterstand nå?
Ja.
Ja, nærlys.
Ja. Der har du nå vel antallet fjernlys i dem midt i.
Ja.
Ja. Og så nærlys i ytterstand.
Ja.
Det ble rettelig lekkert. Det.
No, it's like it's supposed to be. Just some adjustment screw is missing and things, but the park light is working. Ha! Happy days. I just have to put on the frame here again. Yeah. Then change that light and also put on right on there. So everything is working. That one looks to be okay. That one looks to be okay, but the adjustment screw is missing. I have to put on some clips here, but I see the tank is moving, so I have to fix that. A lot of rust on some parts here that maybe should have been just taken out and painted before I put on that one, or painted up here. It's rusty, so that could be good. Yeah, I have to take it piece by piece. It's going to be a lot of things. Ah, was nice. Nice to finally be able to do something. Now the Pontiac I got. The lights are on the right place. Some things have to be fixed in the engine bay. The exhaust have to be fixed. New there, one bolt missing in here. The light seems to be okay. I have new ones if I need to change. Number plate is where it's supposed to be. I have filters, everything for the filter box in the engine bay. That is going to be checked. I believe that it actually could be okay. And I've seen a lot of other things on this car. So a lot of things was very okay on it. So it have been taken care of. So yeah, go forward. I've been sick for a long time. Haven't been able to do much. Just a little I can do here is make me happy. So thank you for following my channel. Thank you for coming back. I have some few videos of this Pontiac from before. And a lot of other. With a short video now it's going to be, soon it's going to be 600 videos. And I'm trying to take more car photographing this summer too. Because I need to, that was my old passion. I need to get something out of it. Yeah, please come back. Please put a like on the video and please put comments about the Pontiac things there, or about other things on my channel, thing I maybe should think about, thing I do wrong on, everything is welcome. So yeah, please start following. Thank you.